Hey beautiful souls, want glowing, clear, and smooth skin. Using just things from your kitchen. No chemicals, no filters, just a real, natural glow. In this video, I'll share an easy DIY face pack that can give you glass skin in just 3 days. It's safe, gentle, and perfect for teens, students, or busy girls like you. So grab your ingredients and let's glow up together. Section 1. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon gram flour, besan, deeply cleanses and removes tan. 2 teaspoons rose water or raw milk, soothes and nourishes. Optional, a few drops of lemon juice helps lighten scars. Skip if you have sensitive skin. That's it. Just simple ingredients from your kitchen, but with powerful glow effects. Section 2. How to make. Let's prepare the magic glow portion. Take a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon gram flour. Add turmeric and mix. Pour honey, then rose water or milk. Mix until you get a smooth paste. If using lemon, add now. Mix well. Your 3-day glow face pack is ready. Section 3. How to use. Apply this pack on clean skin using fingers or a brush. Avoid the eyes and lips. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Relax, listen to music or manifest your glow up. Then wash it off with cool water and pat dry. Use this face pack once daily for 3 days. For sensitive skin, use it every alternate day. Section 4. Results and benefits. What happens after 3 days? Skin feels brighter and fresh. Acne reduces and skin feels calm. Tan and dullness start fading. You get that natural glass skin glow. And the best part? No side effects. This DIY is 100% natural, perfect for teenage skin or anyone who wants to avoid harsh products. Extra tips for faster results. Here are 5 quick tips to make your glow last longer. 1. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. 2. Avoid junk and oily food. 3. Sleep at least 7 hours. 4. Wash your face 2x a day with a gentle cleanser. 5. Moisturize your skin daily, even if it's oily. Do these with the face pack, and you'll literally glow from within. You don't need expensive products to look pretty. You don't need filters to shine. Just a little care, and a little love, and your skin will thank you. If you try this face pack, tell me in the comments what changes you felt. I reply to every glow queen. Like, share, and subscribe for more faceless beauty tips and glow up guides. Until next time, stay soft, stay glowing. Bye beautiful.